Today I'm gonna be creating press-on nails, and I'm using the brand Beetles for nail tips. These nail tips are kind of on the flat side, so that's why they are good for press-ons. If you want to use this as the gel X method, just remember that the nails are gonna be kind of flat. And right now I'm prepping the nail tips. I'm using nail primer just to create like a texture on top of the nail tip. Next, I'm applying a layer of base gel from the brand iMaily. I purchased this one on Amazon, and I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. Today I was inspired by these beautiful nails on Instagram. You can see the name of the nail artist if you want to check it out. I'm going to try to recreate these beautiful nails on press-ons, so it won't be the same, but I'm trying to get as close as possible. And I'm starting with all the colors that I need to lay out first for the foundation of the design, and then I'll go from there. As you can see here, I'm using multiple colors, a blue, a white. I'm gonna be using a few more colors from Born Pretty. I'm using this milky white to apply it on top of the white gel polish because I wanna give it more like a satin finish. And this is another beautiful color from Born Pretty. I'm going to leave all the links in the description down below if you want to check it out. The links will take you directly to their website, and I'm gonna leave as well my discount code with Born Pretty is 10% off when you purchase directly on their website. Next, I'm gonna be using this watercolor gel. This is a blooming gel. I'm going to apply it to the nail, and then I'm gonna drop some blue gel to let it spread. It's gonna give me an effect like water kind of. I just have to set the nail aside and let the blooming gel do the job. Once I get the desired effect, I will cure the nails for 60 seconds. And I'm going to repeat the same in multiple nails. Probably the original creator did this with a sponge and did like an ombre kind of, but I wanted to try this with a blooming gel and it wasn't too bad. I like the results. I'm gonna be using this semi-transparent chrome powder and apply it on all the white nails. Sometimes you do need to apply top coat to apply chrome powders and then seal it again with top coat, but on this case it was working on the Born Pretty gel polish, so I didn't have to use top coat. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and seal it with some base gel just to make sure I can continue designing on top of the nail and cure that for 60 seconds. I'm using some more white gel and I'm gonna be creating a Frenchie on this nail. and cure that for 60 seconds. Before I cure the Frenchie, I went with some blue and I created some lines because I'm gonna be decorating this after like a shelf kind of. And then next I'm gonna be trying the water effect and applying some of the blooming gel, and with the milky white gel polish and a dotting tool I went ahead and I tried to create the water effect, but I wasn't happy with the results. So I decided to add some of the white gel polish and mix it with the milky white gel polish, and then I was getting the results that I wanted. With the blooming gel, all you have to do is let the design spread out until you get the desired results and then cure the nail. I'm gonna continue doing some more designs here with the blooming gel, and I'm gonna do the same, just let the nail set aside, and then once I see the result I want, I'm just gonna cure the nails for 60 seconds. Next, I'm applying top coat to the pinky nail. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and then with the same top coat, I'm going to create like water drops on top of the nail, and I'm gonna be using a dotting tool for this. You're gonna see my hand moving in and out because I'm just bringing the nail quickly inside the lamp just to make sure the little drop doesn't move out of place. Once I finish placing all the little drops, I'm just gonna cure the nails for 60 seconds. These are the nails, and once I was looking at the ones with the blue design, I find the blue a little bit strong, so I went ahead with another layer of the milky white gel polish to bring down the intensity of the blue gel polish. I'm gonna be using this gel to create kind of a shelf. This gel is semi-solid, so it doesn't move out of place. So I'm placing some drops in here, and I'm going to extend it with a liner brush. I created some more of the 3D nail art, and then I'm gonna continue with a beautiful flower. I'm gonna apply top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and I will show you the final results. And these are the nails. They came out really cute. I really like them. They are so cute. Yes, 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 I like them. They are not exact same copy as the original nail artist, which I'm happy about it. I don't want to copy exactly how those nails were, even though those are really beautiful. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.